is a newer set of elevators here at the Sacramento International Airport parking garage. This set was added when they built Terminal B. This is like part of a whole sky bridge that connects the garage to this terminal right here. And they installed these two KONEs. I think these are EcoDiscs. It's been a long time since I filmed these.
Going up. Sixth floor.
Yep.
Going down. First floor. Going up.
Oh, look at that. Other ones here. Coming out. This one's got like a generic floor passing chime. You guys want to do the sky bridge?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.